everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's the Apple Professional here, and today we are going to be unboxing the Eero dual band mesh Wi-Fi system. I wanted to do an unboxing of this because it's kind of cool actually. I mean, it's a pretty big box. I kind of like it's just way better improvement from our old home Wi-Fi system. And if you see my head pop out like you did in the other unboxing video, because I wanted to see and stuff. Sorry if that ever happens. If you see like a wiring thing over in this vicinity, it's my microphone. So let's just take a look at this and its specs. Eero is an Amazon company, so they make a lot of products, including their mesh Wi-Fi and Echo Dot and all that other stuff. So this is the Eero 6 dual band mesh Wi-Fi system. Apparently it's a fast, reliable Wi-Fi 6 for every corner of your connected home. Now this one, we got one router and one extender. It covers up to 3,000 square feet, and you can get speeds up to 500 megabits per second. And it's featuring Smart Home Hub. I don't know if we'll ever use that. Up here it says Eero is heart of your connected home. It has true mesh technology, and it's a special kind of technology which helps get the range all over your house, optimizes your Wi-Fi to work for your space, stay connected everywhere in your home, and it supports up to 75 plus devices, which is a huge upgrade from my old Wi-Fi. Our old family Wi-Fi, it was a Wi-Fi 4 router. Speeds were 30 megabits per second max at the fastest when the network isn't busy. And the bandwidth is like a really old, really old thing. It's a really old version. And this, with Wi-Fi 6, it's mesh, 500 megabits per second, 3,000 square feet, increases range. It's just all around a better, mesh Wi-Fi. We're gonna get 2 extenders, but that was a bit more expensive, and Eero 6 Pro wasn't worth it for us. And also, we didn't want to get the regular one because the regular one doesn't have Wi-Fi 6, and we need increased speeds. And then also the plans that Comcast, our ISP server, whatever you want to call them, they only give us like 65 megabits per second Wi-Fi packet plan, and then 75 megabit per second is more expensive. So this looks like a good option. So now let's try and unbox this bad boy. I got my scissors here. Let's take a plastic wrapper off. Scissors would do it. Not my fingers would do it. It says start here. I bet we should start there. So let's poke into this. And I know I'm doing a Wi-Fi unboxing, which is a bit weird on my channel because we only do like reviews and stuff like that. But this is also, I also want to do tech videos, and this is very, very, very cool. Here it says never think about Wi-Fi again. This is very fast, very powerful enough to stream games, video conference, work from home, no dead spots, buffering, or drop-offs, and it keeps my network safe, secure with automatic updates. You get 30-day free trial of Eero Secure, control connected devices, set up Eero right out of the box in minutes. That's what I like. And then you just manage all of your network devices just from one app. So this is a very big upgrade. I was about to go for Nest Wi-Fi, but reviews say that when I was taking a look, Nest Wi-Fi doesn't have Wi-Fi 6, and also you're getting faster speeds with Eero Wi-Fi from Amazon. So we're just gonna take this wrapper off, and I'm gonna do it through the microphone. We all love that microphone wrapping, whatever you want to call it, ASMR. Okay, let's do it, bros. Okay, I spoiled the first wrapping thing. Okay. Okay, we are going to unwrap more. Come on. good plastic unwrapper, as you can see here. There's your plastic ASMR. We don't need that plastic anymore. Let's get in. Whoa, okay. So, you know how it says start here? It's just opening up from here. It's like the Amazon, the first Amazon Echo unboxing. You know, it just opens like that. Okay. Oh, it's like a little house. That's very creative and so cool because you're getting new house Wi-Fi. Like the whole unboxing is like a little house. Like, look at that. Look at that. It's like you're opening a little box with like a little house or something. Okay, come on. Come on, bro. Okay. Maybe it's the other way around. Maybe it's not a little house. Oh, wait, I'm wrong. It's this way around. I'm so dumb. Okay. So we're going to unbox. So what's included? We got one Eero 6, one Eero 6 extender, 2 power adapters, 1 Ethernet cable. What we will need is a modem, smartphone internet connection, and an internet service provider. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, as it really does help the growth of my channel. Also like and comment on this video. And I will provide this Eero 6 Wi-Fi router in the description below. So if you want to go get one of these, and if you could go get one of these from the link I put in the description below, then it would really help the growth of my channel also, because I get a little bit of kickback from those affiliate links. There we go. Look at this. Look, it just unboxed like that. It's kind of like a premium unboxing. We don't need these scissors anymore. You know, I didn't expect Amazon to have like, you know, a little bit of lift off and kind of premium unboxing. As soon as you lift it off, you see the Eero Wi-Fi routers. We have the extender and the router. I have no idea. They look so nice, so tiny, so premium. And I just love these Amazon, I love the unboxing Amazon does. Like when you first greet your router, you first unbox it like that. I mean, it's so cool. I mean, it's almost like high-end companies, but you know, Amazon, it's a high-end company. They know what they gotta do to get people's attention in the unboxing. Okay, so on the bottom, it's soft. Eero San Francisco. I mean, it feels pretty premium. I think this is a plastic build. Don't really want to ruin it or anything or break it. Oh, and there we go. We have that USB-C port on there to plug in and set up. I have no idea if this is the extender or the router. Does it tell us? Does it tell you? Oh, wait, there it is. It's the extender. I don't want to ruin the extender because the extender is very important. It's as important as the router. Oh, there we go. This is the Eero 6 router. It's got a little bit more heft to it. I mean, it has got a plastic build. You got that silver shining text. But on the bottom, we got the USB-C port and both of the Ethernet ports right there. So, I mean, these look so nice, so tiny. Like, they look like something you would have in a modern home. And of course, they designed it that way. I mean, yeah, it just looks so subtle, you know, apart from other Wi-Fi routers. So let's put these Wi-Fi and extender aside. Let's see what else you get in the box. What else has Amazon provided for us? They have provided this, which is a stupid plastic card that no one needs. Wow, another stupid plastic card. Okay, so in the box, since we got one router, one extender, they gave us the They gave us the USB-C charging brick thing, whatever, to put in the wall, make sure the Wi-Fi is working. Now we got both of them. We got two. So, you know, one for the router and one for the extender. That's pretty much it in the box. They said they included some other stuff, so take a look at this. It says we have to pull this up. Okay, Eero, and then we're gonna pull it up again. Oh, so what is this? So, oh, this, they included an Ethernet port for us, And we've got the instruction manuals, which I will definitely need. We can't lose this. Oh, it's a quick start guide. There is no instruction manual. Wait, never mind. I lied. Here it is. Nope, it's a warranty booklet. We don't need a warranty booklet. I just need to find an instruction manual, bro. Bro, where'd you put it? What is this? Meet Eero Secure. Oh, this is just 30-day free trial of Eero Secure. We don't need that. So yeah, we got the Ethernet port, some booklets, quick start guide booklets. We got the Eero router and extender. We have the charging port for $159, and the speeds and the mesh Wi-Fi and everything you're getting, including the unboxing experience. I'd say if you're gonna buy this for $159 or $200, this would be a great buy. But I really think the manufacturing costs of these is not, that much. But Amazon's a big company; they gotta make profit, and they gotta do it some way. But I still think this was a pretty good unboxing experience. We got two amazing mesh Wi-Fi 6 routers here, a quick start booklet, or whatever you want to call. So yeah, so that's my unboxing of the Eero Wi-Fi 6 router. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. Also, please check out the links in the description below, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out till then.